Hello everyone, welcome to ED61 Gears. Today, let's do the M21B with SFT60. So I have already, I have done the reflowing. So let's get started, and I'll try to do everything very quickly. I have already got everything in place so that we don't waste much of time. So I'll shut up and quickly get everything done. So here we have, let's get the battery. Okay, battery here. This also requires this. Okay, so I will try to get it through as soon as possible so that we can go out and quickly test. So let's get the switch out so that we can have the bypass ready. And once we get the driver in, we can fix the bypass spring and we can continue with our work. Okay, so let's keep the screw here. Okay, so here we have. So for this, we don't have to worry much because Simon did create or build a 15 amp driver. So we can easily go through this without worrying of being overloading the driver. So we won't burn it the way we were thinking about the C8 Plus, right? So we have this is much easier to put it through because the head is larger. I mean, the shelf is larger. So we have the screw here. Let's get the thermal paste. I think this is way too much. And I have to get a little bit off, otherwise it's gonna scatter around. So I have taken a bit off from the, what do you call it, shelf. I'll keep this aside as of now. So this is the positive terminal here. So where we have it, yes. So I'll just put the screw just to make sure that the MCPCB doesn't fly around. Perfect. Perfect. So let's get everything ready. So I'll dab a little bit of flux. So what I understood is the preparation is key. So if you prepare the terminals really well, half of the job is done. So the driver is done. This is fine. Okay, so this is sitting fine. So let's put back the retainer ring. Yeah, so the driver is centered now. Perfect. So we'll come back to this later. Let's fix this. Finally, it's done. Okay, so let's quickly check if the driver is set. And if it is working or not. Okay, yes, we have our SFT60 ready. Nice. So let's put it back. So let's see if it is centered. Okay. Oh yes, it's well centered. Nice. So moment of truth. Ooh, really nice. Ooh, that's good. And that's bright. That's bright. Awesome. All right. Oops, sorry for dazzling you. And I blinded myself too. So here we have. So let's go outside and quickly see how this thing performs. Hello everyone, today we have M21B with SFT60. So this is a build which I have done. So let's see how this thing performs. So I have put this in group 10, and so we have only 4 levels. So let's start. So this is level 1, and it has a very smooth reflector. So you can already see it is already very throwy at the lowest brightness, and I can already see the pole, right? So this is level 2, and as this does have a 15 amp buck driver, we didn't have any problem with the driver selection, because you remember for C8 Plus we didn't have 15 amp, so we had to rely on the 20 amp. So for this we do have a 22 mm 15 amp buck driver, and it is the best optimal performing driver for SFT60. So this is level 2. Really good at already at this brightness. This is level 3. So you can already see the trees really well. And this is not even the full brightness. And so you can see there's a really nice hotspot, and there's a good amount of spill. And this is level 4. Awesome, right? So this is a killer combination, SFT60 on M21B. It's a really killer combination. And I don't have to worry about burning this emitter, because as per the spec, we are driving it at max 15 amp. So let's take a quick walk. So this is level 1. So I'll show you the pole first. This is at the level 1, level 2, level 3, and this is the level 4. So let's take a quick swipe. This is level 1. This is level 2. Level 3. And this is level 4. So you can see a surprising amount of light. Very nice hotspot, and it's a very good thrower. So I think it is stepping down a little now, because the head is really hot. Yeah, it's very hot. So I'll just cycle through the brightness one more time. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So let's see the tree one more time. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So you can already see the end of the park and the boundary. So this is really throwy for its size. So the smooth reflector and the SFT60 is a great combination. So it's stepping down now, I can see. So let's quickly cycle through one more time, and this is the maximum, and the temperature has come down to the battery tube now. It's pretty hot. All right, so let's wrap it up. Here we have the Convoy M21B with the SFT60 emitter. So let me know, how did you like it?